Donald Trump's Dollar Trump meme coin takes crypto world by storm with $14.5 billion market capitalization. A guide to buying Trump coin MAGA. The cryptocurrency world is constantly evolving, with new coins, tokens, and projects emerging regularly. One of the latest entrants to cause a stir in the crypto market is the Trump coin MAGA, also symbolized as Trump. Launched on August 11, 2023, this digital asset has quickly captured the attention of investors, political enthusiasts, and crypto fans alike. With its connection to the popular Make America Great Again (MAGA) slogan, the coin has gained massive traction, amassing an incredible market capitalization of $14.5 billion in just a few months. However, as with any cryptocurrency, the road to understanding and investing in Trump is not without its challenges. In this guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about the MAGA coin, including how to buy it, its historical performance, its investment potential, and the challenges associated with it. What is the Trump coin MAGA? MAGA coin, symbolized by the ticker Trump, is a meme coin that emerged with the intention of uniting cryptocurrency with political support. The coin's name and its association with the Make America Great Again slogan is a nod to the 2016 U.S. presidential campaign of Donald Trump, where the phrase became iconic. Despite the name, it is essential to note that Trump coin MAGA is not officially linked to the former president. The coin operates as an independent digital asset with the vision of utilizing blockchain technology to create a platform that celebrates the values of the MAGA movement. However, the coin's developers, while inspired by Trump's legacy and the MAGA slogan, have clarified that there is no formal connection with the former president or his campaign. Instead, they aim to tap into the passionate political base that continues to rally behind Trump's vision, as well as broader cryptocurrency adoption in the United States. Key takeaways. Before diving deeper into the intricacies of MAGA coin, here are a few key takeaways. Historical price performance. Understanding the price fluctuations and patterns of Trump coin is crucial for any potential investor. Buying guide. Learn how to purchase Trump coin MAGA, from selecting the right exchange to securing your investment. Investment viability. Is MAGA coin worth investing in? We'll evaluate the coin's pros and cons. Challenges. As with any cryptocurrency, investing in MAGA coin comes with its set of risks, including volatility, regulatory concerns, and political dependencies. Historical price performance of Trump coin MAGA. When assessing the potential of any cryptocurrency, one of the most critical aspects is its price performance over time. For the Trump coin MAGA, the coin's historical performance has been both fascinating and volatile. All-time high, ADH, the highest price ever reached by Trump coin was $17.52 on June 1, 2024. This moment marked the peak of interest in the coin, coinciding with increased media attention and growing investor enthusiasm for its potential. All-time low, ATL. Conversely, the lowest price recorded for Trump coin was $0.007792 on August 22, 2023. This was shortly after its launch, when the coin was still finding its place in the crowded cryptocurrency space. This wide range of price fluctuations reflects the volatility inherent in meme coins, particularly those with political ties like MAGA coin. The highs and lows demonstrate the impact of market speculation, sentiment, and external factors, including political events and media coverage. How to buy Trump coin MAGA. If you're interested in buying Trump coins, the process is relatively straightforward. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to acquire MAGA coin. Choose your exchange. First, you'll need to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that lists MAGA coin. Major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken may offer the coin, but it's always essential to compare fees, ease of use, and security features before committing to one platform. Fund your exchange account. To purchase MAGA coin, you will need to deposit funds into your exchange account. You can use fiat currency, such as USD or Euro, or other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum to fund your account. Find the Trump/USDT trading pair. Once your account is funded, locate the Trump/USDT trading pair on the exchange platform. USDT, Tether, is a stable coin, which means it's pegged to the value of the US dollar, making it easier to trade against volatile coins like Trump. Place your order. At this point, you can place a market order to buy Trump at the current price, or set a limit order to purchase at a specific price. Be sure to review the order carefully before confirming. Secure your investment. After purchasing your Trump coins, it's crucial to transfer them to a non-custodial wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, for added security. This ensures that you retain full control over your investment and aren't exposed to risks associated with leaving assets on the exchange. Is MAGA coin worth the investment? Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to weigh its potential benefits against the risks involved. MAGA coin offers several attractive features, such as community support. MAGA coin enjoys the backing of a dedicated and passionate community. Known as the MAGA Army, this group of supporters actively promotes and rallies around the coin. This strong community can contribute to sustained interest in the token, enhancing its long-term viability. Efficient infrastructure. MAGA coin operates on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, which is known for fast transactions and low fees. This makes it an attractive option for both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Ecosystem expansion. The development team behind MAGA coin is actively working to expand its ecosystem. Notable developments include MAGA Swap, a decentralized exchange for MAGA and other tokens, as well as MAGA Fi, a suite of DeFi tools that allows holders to earn rewards and participate in governance. While these factors offer promising potential for growth, there are also notable risks associated with investing in MAGA coin. Challenges of investing in MAGA coin. Like all investments, purchasing MAGA coin comes with inherent risks. Regulatory oversight. Cryptocurrencies, particularly meme coins, often operate in an unregulated space. This lack of oversight could lead to legal and financial risks for investors. Furthermore, the political nature of MAGA coin raises questions about the blurred lines between political support and investment. Volatility. The value of MAGA coin can fluctuate wildly, just like other meme coins in the market. If you're not prepared for rapid price changes, the volatility may be unsettling. Limited use case. MAGA coin's primary appeal lies in its association with the MAGA movement and the Trump community. While this has provided a dedicated fan base, the coin's long-term viability could be limited if it fails to expand its use case beyond the political sphere. Dependence on political climate. The coin's value is intricately tied to the political success and popularity of the MAGA movement. If the political climate shifts, or if public interest in Trump wanes, it could impact the value of MAGA coin. Market competition. With thousands of cryptocurrencies vying for investor attention, MAGA coin faces intense competition in the crowded market. As a relatively new entrant, it will need to distinguish itself in order to attract long-term investment. Alternative political cryptocurrencies. For investors interested in political-themed cryptocurrencies, there are alternatives to Trump coin MAGA. Other political finance coins tied to major events, such as the 2024 U.S. presidential election or global political movements, may also be worth exploring. These include Biden coin, a cryptocurrency supporting the current U.S. president, Joe Biden, and his political agenda. Freedom coin, a project focused on political activism, promoting liberty and democracy worldwide. Conclusion. The Trump coin MAGA has captured the attention of the cryptocurrency world, driven by its strong community backing, association with the iconic MAGA movement, and an evolving ecosystem. However, like all investments, it comes with risks, especially related to regulatory uncertainty, market volatility, and political dependencies. If you're considering investing in MAGA coin, it's essential to do your research, understand the risks, and approach the investment with caution. In the rapidly changing world of cryptocurrencies, staying informed and prepared for market shifts is crucial. Whether MAGA coin continues to thrive or faces challenges ahead, its rise serves as a reminder of the growing intersection between politics and digital finance.